Here's the following problem. I uploaded the video and it has black margins on a certain portion somewhere in the middle all around it. Now why is that? On the left, right, top and bottom sides. And in other portions it has black bars only on the left and on the right side because it's a 4:3 aspect ratio video. But let's see why it has all around. So inside Davinci Resolve, here is the portion where it has on the top and on the bottom, and in other portions it does not have anything. So the timeline itself has a resolution of 4:3 aspect ratio. That is fine for this 4:3 video, but it's not going to be fine for this 16:9 aspect ratio video, because YouTube has a 16:9 aspect ratio format, and that means that this video will have more bars on the left side here and on the right side there. So that's why it will have all around black bars. So to correct this problem, I should make the entire timeline 16:9. So to do that, come here to the project settings icon in the lower right corner and modify those numbers here on the master settings page. Now I have to calculate this one, so Windows and R and Notepad. So I want a 16:9 aspect ratio, and I want a new width, a wider video, because that's the width and that's the height. So I want to guess the width and I will keep the height 2028. Now I have to multiply 16 by that one and divide it by that one. So Windows and R, calc for calculator, 16 multiplied by 2028 and divided by 9. And I should use the new width 3605. Copy and paste. This one will be a 16:9 aspect ratio, so I'm typing in here 3605. Okay, and save. Now it added black bars on the left and on the right side, so the final video will be 16:9 aspect ratio. That is not really nice for these videos, but it is perfect for this one. So now the black bars from the top and from the bottom disappeared because this video is exactly the same aspect ratio as the timeline itself. But now, since the majority of my videos are 4:3 aspect ratio, then I should fill in this portion with something. To do that, let's just make this one smaller, and I will select everything, right click on it and new compound clip. Yes, create it, so it's merging everything into one. Now right click on the video, uncheck this link clips. Now I can select only this one, the video, alt and drag up to create a copy of that one. Now I should modify the one which is below on the timeline, that is below here on the preview also, and make this one wider so that this edge would come out to the side. So click on that one, and here on the inspector video and zoom, uncheck that proportional thing and modify the zoom X. And notice I'm simply dragging out, I'm stretching the video which is below. Okay, and now this one is highly identical with that one, but of course it's not in one line, whatever. But I have to blur the one which is below. To do that, come here to color. Now both of them are called compound clips because I merged them. This one is the one which is below. It's black because at edit, at the first I have a fade in, that's why it's black. If I go a little bit over there, it's not black. So on the color tab, the clip which is below and a little bit, let's say there, now I can see it, that has to be blurred. So come here to this water droplet sign. You have these up here, that one, and the radius. Drag, let's say, that number, and the sides will be blurred. Notice it's blurred. So to the left is not blurred, to the right is blurred. Okay, and that's about it. I can go back to edit, and now I don't have a black bar on the left and on the right side, but what is here is highly similar to that one, and it's mostly okay here, and it is perfect for this one also. So now the video is 16:9 aspect ratio, and I don't have black bars on the left and on the right side, nor on the top, right, bottom and left sides. So now I can deliver at that suspicious resolution. It's not exactly 4K, it's less than 4K and more than 2.7K. Add to render queue and render. So it says render job failed as current clip could not be processed. Frame width or height cannot be a add number. Okay, so let's go back to edit. Come here to lower right corner to the wheel and make it, let's say, 3606 and save. Deliver. Now it's 6 here also. Add to render queue, render all. And now it's working, but it is weird. So the video, although it was interrupted, looks okay as it's visible here, but on the deliver tab here it looks weird.